Hello everyone, how are you? Today's my supper is canned mackerel with miso soup. I do not have time enough to cook my supper this evening, so I use only the microwave range we call chin or chin suru. Ingredient: the leftovers of mackerel 30 gram, canned mackerel, the leftovers of miso soup 100 milliliter, seasonings, ginger paste tablespoon 2, salt and pepper properly. How to make miso soup with canned mackerel. 1. Add the leftovers of miso soup into a bowl. It has been done already. 2. Add canned mackerel, this one, into the bowl. 3. Ginger paste, tablespoon 2 in the bowl. 4. Wrap the bowl with content. 5. Heat it in the microwave range for about 3 minutes. That's all for making the miso soup with canned mackerel this evening. Let's start making my supper. Add mackerel into the miso soup. Then add ginger paste, tablespoon 2. Mix them. And wrap it. Heat it in the microwave range for about 3 minutes. My supper have been done. This is my side dish. This is my main dish, steamed rice with kimchi, as usual. Now it's time to enjoy it. Bon appetit! Itadakimasu!